everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me, Yuwhie, and for today's video we're going to talk about what is visual hierarchy in Canva. So stay tuned and finish this video because this will be another revealing and informational video for everyone. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button to be always updated to my new video upload. Suggestions and feedback are always welcome in the comment section below.
What is visual hierarchy?
To ensure that your design convey your message effectively, it is important to approach your design strategically rather than relying solely on personal preference. Ang visual hierarchy is more on patungkol sa mga tools na pwede mong gamitin sa iyong design gaya ng color, contrast, typography, spacing, at tumutukoy rin ito sa pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga information sa isang page para maayos at mabigyan ng priority ang iyong content na kung saan mas madali itong mauunawaan ng mga tao.
How humans process visual information?
When it comes to reading words, madalas or karamihan syempre, nagbabasa tayo from left to the right, di ba? Or top to bottom. Siyempre kakaiba naman kung magbabasa ka mula ilalim pa taas, di ba? Reading visual information works in a similar, yet a slightly different way. And thanks to eye tracking, we know that it's to be true. There are two main patterns through which we process visual information. When it comes to design that have a lot of text, the most common pattern those viewers follow is called F pattern. This means that they start reading the top right corner on the page and move horizontally towards the right. After reaching the right side, they scan downwards to the left-hand side on the page to look for short headlines or subheads that they can quickly read through. Design with less density often follow the Z pattern. The viewer starts from the left corner and move horizontally towards to the top right corner. Then the viewers cast their eyes diagonally downwards to the lower left corner and finally moves towards to the right hand corner. This pattern helps maintain the viewer's attention and engagement with the design.
How to use visual hierarchy on your design?
One of the most important functions of visual hierarchy is to guide the viewers to the focal point, demonstrating where the most important information is and helping them navigate your design.
To create a clear visual hierarchy and emphasize design elements, try different techniques for good focus and flow.
Font. Think of typefaces as a different personality types. Some are loud and flamboyant. Others are quiet and interesting, and some are adaptable to different situations. Because typographic hierarchy isn't the only aspect to consider while typesetting. Minsan sa mismong itsura ng font, like the category, sans serif, serif, script, or decorative, or at the style like bold, italic, or caps, etc. Pwede yun makagawa or makasira ng iyong design. So you must use this quality appropriately and strategically to enhance your design. Sa ibang paraan, the biggest design element get the attention, a lot of attentions. Enlarging the object's size, its dimension, and scale its size with the other elements or objects ay isa sa pinakamadali or mabisang paraan para bigyan yon ng visual importance. We are visually drawn to color, especially when it used strategically to highlight important information or imagery, like a splash of color like red, yellow, or in commercial or flyers na pwede mo makita kahit sa mga kalsada. There's so many creative ways that the color and contrast can be applied in design to guide your viewer's gaze, including temperature. No? Colors can be cool like blue, warm like red, orange, yellow, or neutral like gray, white, black, or sometimes it's brown and beige. Mixing color temperature, especially ones with high contrast, can attract a lot of visual attention. Value. Color refers to the lightness or darkness of the color. Similar value colors have equal visual weight, while contrasting colors of different values create a dramatic effect. saturation. Pure bright colors are 100% saturated. No? As color move closer to gray, they become less saturated. Using bright or muted color can create high or low contrast in a design. For any design that involves text, no, which is the most typography, hierarchy is the component of visual hierarchy that you can't afford to neglect. This basic three-level approach can be applied to any type of design that's analyzed the level of their common purposes. Level 1, no, generally, your level 1 typography will be the most important content. Ito dapat yung pinakaunang nakikita, usually yung pinakamalaki na typography element sa yung design. Level 2 elements are used to organize your design into section or group related information together. They should not be as prominent as level 1 type, but they should clearly guide viewers to the different type of the design and help them navigate it easily. Level 3 typography typically conveys the main message, purpose, details of the text-heavy design. Pwede itong mahaba or maiksi sa isang article. But since maliit lang yung font size na karaniwang ginagamit dito, it should be clear and madali itong mabasa, readable. Probably you've seen it before sa isang flyers or posters na punong-puno ng information or text, images na hindi mo alam kung saan mag-uumpisa or kung paano saan mag-uumpisang basahin or tingnan. Do not create one of those designs because it will turn away your viewers or readers because it's impossible to navigate. Yung mga blank or putting space ay madalas ay isa sa mga neglected design principle, but it also one of the most important. When designing a layout, remember to include white space. Overcoming your design can make it look cluttered and confusing. When white space helps to organize and separate the different elements in your design, creating more balanced and orderly appearance. Always plan for unused space. It's essential for things like guide the viewer's gaze with a clear path and resting points in the design. Divide your layouts into sections for good spacing and isolating points. Use a composition to structure your design and guide the viewers through your layout. Compositional techniques has been used by artists by centuries and continue to be utilized today. Let's look at a few most common rule of thirds. Ang pagsunod dun sa rule of thirds ay isa sa paraan of creating a dynamic composition where your focal point is not consistently positioned at the center. Instead, this rule divides into a grid. 3 equally spaced horizontal lines and 3 vertical lines. And places the focal points alignment sa mga lines where the lines intersect. The rule of odds. The rule of odds involves 3. The odd number of objects is more interesting to the eye than an even number. Implied movement. Use leading lines to create movements and guide the viewers towards important information in the design. Leading lines don't have to be actual lines, pero pwede na rin. Pwede silang maging objects, shapes, repeated design elements, intersection of positive and negative space, or anything else that creates a sense of directional movement. Most common types of leading lines include horizontal, vertical, diagonal, S-curves, and these C shapes. The C shape is ideal for website layouts due to its left to right reading pattern. So, I have a tip to know the effectiveness of your visual hierarchy. Pwede kang mag-squint test. So, ano nga ba yung squint? Squint test is a visual assessment technique. Now, when you squint your eyes, it reduces the amount of detail you perceive, making it easier to identify the overall shapes and patterns. It's often used by artists to check the composition and balance of their artwork. So, try it out. I hope you like this video. Please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video na i-upload ko. And a short disclaimer, this video is not a Canva sponsor. I'm Yuwhie,